Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Instagram when the story music feature is not working or not available. Sometimes when you try to add music to your story, the feature will not work. So in this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step process on how you can fix that. So the first thing you want to make sure is go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram. Now make sure your app is up to date, and if your app is not up to date, it will show an option named update, so tap on update. Now once your app is updated, try using the music feature on your story, and if it still doesn't work, go to your settings and then go to apps. Now search for Instagram. And then try force stopping the app, then go to storage and then clear cache memory as well as your storage. Now after you've done this, go to your Instagram, then log into your account, and now you can try using the feature of music on your Instagram story, and if it still doesn't work, there is one final way on how you can fix the problem. That is by going to your profile on the bottom right corner of your screen, then tapping the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. After that, go to settings. Now once you're on this page, scroll down and then tap on preferences. Now scroll all the way down, and there you can see an option named switch to professional account. So if your account is a normal account, sometimes the feature will not show, but in professional account the feature will show. So tap on switch to professional account and then tap continue again and one last time. And now you'll have to choose what best describes you. It may be any of these, but for now we'll simply choose gamer and then tap done. Now it will provide you two options, namely creator and business. You can choose any one of the option and then tap next. And now you can simply skip this process by tapping the cross icon on the top left corner of your screen. And now you can skip this process. Now if you go to your story and try the music option, the music feature will be there. So that is how you fix Instagram not showing music feature. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.